Huh. Just filled up Bertha. Well, I put water in it. Obviously, I didn't fill it up. Okay, just let me have a little quick cool air break. Okay. Yes, I'm getting a thing to move the water to there, but yeah, pump thing, yeah. But the good news is, ta-da! I already put shit back in there. And now I can work on putting those. I'll put both of those small white bookcases here and here. And start setting up my resin clay station. As soon as I wash the disc off. I don't know what this is. Oh, mica powder. I don't know where that came from, but whatever. Whew. Hi. Hi. What you doing? Are you going to go into the kitchen to eat your meat on the floor? I hope so. If not, that's going to be your dinner. Okay? Go eat your meat on the floor. Thank God I have lots of fans. Here, let's go sit over here for a minute. Because even though the window is open, the fan still feels good. Yes, it does. What? Come on. Why are you coming that side for? Huh? Why you come on that side for, little boy? Oh, so getting the plunger thing in her mouth is getting easier. It's getting easier to shove that pill down her throat, huh? Say, today we did really good. It only took Mama like 30 seconds after I bit her finger again. Yeah. I'm going to give him some calm down medicine and the other him some calm down medicine so I can get some of that hair off their ass. Let's see. It's not too bad. It's not Las Vegas bad, so I ain't gonna complain about nothing. Oh man. Would you guys go buy one of those pendants? I need silver wire really bad because I can't find mine, so there. Oh, I don't know where I'm gonna put that. Anyway. Okay, back to the refrigerator we go. Damn it, I can't believe. Is that your meat? Oh, good girl. Oh, you finally hungry enough to take your ass in there and eat the 2 pieces of steak I left on the floor. Whatever that meat is, I don't know. Oh, so let's just sit here for a minute. Freeze, and then I can get up and work again. Thank God for puppy pads. Yeah, so now this time I filled it almost all the way up. You just gotta pour it in the side, low and slow. Oh, that air feels so good. Oh, that air feels so good. What is this? You stay there. And, oh, that's my, well, you can't really see the beautiful tray Missy made me. My sister Missy, she's like a professional resin pourer, yeah. And she makes these cleansing trays. Let's see if I could take some of the junk off of it so you could actually see. Okay, there. With flowers and selenite on them, so you can cleanse whatever you put on the tray. about the wrong thing. No, that's the right one. This is the wrong one. Oh well. Live and learn. My ring, I made myself. I made for myself, excuse me. Bracelets I got from A. Carter. Where's my other one? Oh well, it's probably still in the rack. Anna Carter on the TikTok. I will at her so you can go and get some too. Remember a long time ago I said I was talking about Trinity Goddess rosaries? Yeah, so this is mine. Mother, Maiden, Chrome, and then on the ends I put whatever your belief system is. So I put that just because I thought it looked really cool, and number 4 is one of my favorite numbers. As for the Orisho, Osain, Babaloae, and Oshun. And then on the other side, Hachu. Why can't I remember? He's on Monday. Ulegua. Everybody snake and keys, of course. Those are the keys to the crossroad. That's mine. So let's find a place. 48 hours. And thinking maybe that could stay there for right now. But I'll probably put it behind here. Someplace more flat and steady. And now I'm going to take a long break and finish wrapping this beautiful sodalite. Put your 60 bucks down. Yes, it's in copper. Unless after you make your payment, well, I'm not going to rewrap it, but I'll let you choose another piece of sodalite and wrap it in silver. After you pay, I will go buy wire. Okay? Okay, it's water time. And vitamins time. Where's the rest of my Vitamita Vegemins? I don't know. I'll find them. Yep, I love my light. Love all that light so I can see. I gotta go turn it some more. Oh, better. Much better. Okay, boys and girls, go have a good day. I'm gonna sit here and wire wrap up something and head back to the green desk and wipe it off, clear it off so I can start getting organized. I love you. I hope you're having a beautiful day like me.